there's gonna be some bad fireworks. Listen. Oh, here they go.
There.
What's taking so long? Where are the booms? Where are the booms at?
Here we go.
Mom, where are the huge ones?
Over there, darn it. We parked totally on the opposite side.
Over there?
Here we go.
Oh, jeez. These ones are a lot bigger.
Yeah, he was the
And it smells like
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Mom, I can't take
One more.
pictures. I can't take pictures.
Oh!
Tyson, would you stop?
Nice, Bray. Having fun. Stop it.
No.
Stop being
No.
grouchy.
Oh, these are big fireworks. Whoa. The big fireworks. Huh. There's some big fireworks going on.
Where's the fireworks at?
Oh, there's some over here.
Here we go.
Oh, jeez.
Jeez.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love these big ones. These are better than the last one. These are better than the last one we had.
Boom.
Yeah, that was loud. I want to keep Oh, here we go. No. Gotta keep looking up at the sky.
Oh!
Oh, there's some that way. Dang it. Whoa. Oh, here we go.
That's a, man.
Oh.
Oh, man. Oh!
Whoa.
I saw it. You saw it right there.
I gotta say, this is pretty cool.
Is this
Whoa.
fun?
Yeah, but why is this one not going off?
Oh!
Whoa. I gotta say, these ones go to the huge ones. Yeah. Let's wait for another firework. Was that a fireworks?
Where's the fireworks at?
We gotta wait a while, so it's just gonna be.
Here we go.
Oh.
No, it's not.
Control.
Oh!
Oh.
Ready? Here we go.
Oh yeah, that one is the best.
Yeah, that one's the best.
Happy New Year's Eve. Are they gonna have some on 1st of July? Are they gonna have some on 4th of July?
This is, oh no, this is it.
Well, boo. They should have done it on the 1st of July. What? They should have done it on the 1st of July. Why does it make like the cartoon? Meow?
I don't know.
It makes like the cartoon.
Why is
Meow.
it taking so long?
I don't know. They should be going off right now. Whoa. That must have been behind us.
I saw it right there.
Oh, you can
And
hear.
it's over, guys.
No, it isn't.
Look, it's over.
Not funny.
It's
No,
over.
not funny.
Here we go.
Oh!
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Awesome. People are just leaving. Get up, guys. Yeah, here we go. Oh, yeah. Mom,
yeah.
that one was the... Oh, that one...
Oh!
Tyson, would you stop? Ah. Oh, yeah, these ones are the best. See, like, it makes the cartoon falls.
Ah.
Yeah, like, they make the cartoon falls. Yes, so they're supposed to be going off right now.
Yeah.
My goodness, I love this.
Is this a good idea?
This was a good idea.
Yeah, I love it.
I'm gonna have memories for the rest of my life here. Shut up, cuz.
Let's show yourself. Show yourself.
Alright, we should. Whoa. Those were behind. Whoa.
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh! Tyson, would you stop? I'm tired of you singing that.
Stop. Let him have fun. Stop it.
He's doing everything.
He wants to. Stop it.
No, it's annoying. I am filming. And I want to make it good. I need it to stop. I want the huge ones that went in the sky before. It's a boring video because you gotta wait a while. Whoa. Oh my gotta say, I'm glad we came here today. We almost missed it. Ah ooh ee ah yaddy ah ooh. I hear.
Hey, Mommy.
What's going on? Ah, lights are so bright. When are they gonna go off?
That's a nice
It takes
bed.
forever to go off. Ah ooh ee ah yaddy ah ooh. Pants. It's taking forever. There's a lot of cars behind us. Ow. Hurts.
They're probably reloading.
Yeah, I bet you're right. Because I think that was the only fireworks they had. I'm going to pause the video. Ah, it's so bright. My camera, it's so bright. Ah. I gotta say, today's horror.
This is the best day ever.
Yeah, but not with all these cars around. Man, what's taking so long? They're just reloading. Oh, you hear that cartoon sound? I get tired of that. It's like a cartoon sound where but Charlie's gonna come down and
That's a good idea.
Of course. Oh, there's one. Man, where are the huge ones that go really loud in the sky?
Pow, boom. Hey, before it completely ends, we're gonna leave, and you guys can hang out the window and watch. Just because if we don't leave early, not like super early, but a little bit early, it's gonna be bad.
What?
We're not gonna stay like till the very, very end because
I really want to.
we will. But I'm just saying, you guys are gonna have to watch out the window while we go because all these people will be leaving at once, and it'll take us a couple hours to get home. You'll see what I'm talking about. It won't be bad. We'll leave early.
How long are we gonna be here then?
However long it lasts.
I want it to last forever.
I don't know what's going on.
It's taking forever. I think they're just reloading a lot. Might be taking a while. I'm gonna pause. I really get tired of that.
You want to see the one that I just put on Snapchat?
Yeah. It could take a while before the guns reload. I mean, sitting back in a car and it's boring actually.
Watch.
I like that one. See, there's me out with that phone. Oh, what's taking so long?
What's
Fireworks going off. Well, there were some. Yep, there we go. I told you they were reloading.
We can't really see them, huh?
Yes, we can. A little bit. We could see them a bunch.
What's the bigger ones, huh?
Yeah, they're big ones where you can see them up in the air. Well, I like these ones. See, go pa-pam. Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa, that one was good. I guess I want one to go super high up in the air.
What? That one
I want it to go super high up in the air. Whoa,
Here we go. We want the ones that go boom,
that go loud.
that go bang.
I want the loudest ones.
Like boom, 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 boom.
I wish Adrian was here to hold me.
I will hold you. You guys will hold me. And you will hold us.
Okay, I want to get out for a second and see the back. What out in the back?
I'll be going near the road, guys. There's cars everywhere.
Yeah, cars are going real fast.
Why don't you guys sit down? Sit down.
The reloading, Mom, the.
Look how fast he's going.
Mom, they're reloading right now. So I'm gonna pause. Oh, there we go. That's what we're talking about, where we can see them, Mom.
That's what I'm talking about.
There we go.
There we go.
I gotta say, that one was a good one.
Yeah.
They're just trying to leave. What the? He honked. Well, here, there's some. What do you say, here we go, when there's like not a fun part? What? What?
What? Oh, I'm gonna lay back. I can see stuff. You guys can lay on me.
I don't want to lay on you. I'll be sitting up still. Ow. I think this is comfortable. When are the fireworks gonna go off and stuff? Okay. Takes forever.
Oh, there you go.
Alright, there was some that were.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
Tyson, I swear to gosh, if you do that one more time, I do not want to listen to that again. It's annoying. It's annoying, Mama.
Oh,
I know he's my brother, but I don't care.
that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
Yep, me too. Where's all the damn fireworks at?
Mom, don't cuss. I'm filming.
Your mommy. Have some.
There was some.
Oh, sour. You like sour stuff, mommy?
I actually don't know where all the fireworks are.
Me either.
They're taking a while, and I've been filming, and
Oh, there are they.
people are getting bored probably. But it'll get funner in a little bit. They're just reloading. That's what you said.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, there's some.
Oh, there.
All right, Mom.
Oh,
Whoa, yeah.
Oh,
There we go. I see
That's
some.
what I'm talking about.
I swear to God.
Don't say that. That's not nice to swear to God.
Where are my candy? I love you, mommy.
I don't
love you,
swear to
Papa.
God.
Those?
I don't swear to God.
No. You don't.
Yeah, that's blue.
Is it-
Can I have one?
I don't want me.
You want that
Ow, it's light. Light's so bright.
one? Yeah, one.
More.
The home one.
There's some.
That's what I'm talking about.
Tyson.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
I swear.
That's what I'm talking about.
Tyson, stop. Tyson, I'm telling you, stop. Well, there they are. Who's doing that? Well, then
Can I beat them up for you?
there's fireworks behind, I think. I just saw. Whoa, hear that cartoon one? There must be one that's bad. No. This one that just exploded. Ooh. I hate that cartoon voice. Well, these ones are the ones that go kapow.
Pow. Pow.
Wow.
Pow.
Ooh. Mom, isn't this pretty? Good.
Pow.
Tyson!
Pow.
Tyson! You're making me stressful.
Uh-oh.
Wow.